Shed renovation part 6. As you can see, it's taken shape. I've got the edges all sorted. So as you can see, the 4x2s are all around the edge. Come closer here. We have the fence panel and the alleyway, and we have the edges just over in line with the concrete post so that anything can drip over and won't go in. Go to the edge. We've got the same there, and this is where it was going to end, but we clearly went further over, so I cut the tops off the concrete posts just to get it to go nicely over. And come along here, we've got some tidying up to do here, but I think you get the picture. You see the overhang all ready for bitumen. Once that's all done, got to get it roof blacked on so that it doesn't, so it repels the rain. All this has got to be joined up to there, fixed. So come around here. No, that's lovely solid. Anyway, out into the alleyway, and as you can see, the runoff is there. So the guttering will go along there, and above that wall, tuck around the sides. Right, let's go up the ladder, and you will see 10 8x4 sheet supply. So that's like 20, that's 5 metres that way, 5 metres that way, about 5 metres that way. All to be blackjacked today to repel the rain, which is coming in about the next 3 hours. So I better crack on, give you an update when I'm finished. Thanks for watching.